Here we go. Right, I'm under the... I'm going to assume that I'm going to get drenched and die. But we'll see how that goes. Let's see if we've got some meaty anti... Oh! Oh yes, these are quite meaty, these anti-rollbacks. Come on. Oh, that's better. Right. The water is very blue. This ride here is the wildest ride in the wilderness. Oh, you suck.
You're only about 30 miles an hour. Oh, look at that Cyrus though.
Yeah, that's funny. I like that.
That's huge. Cyrus.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, you suck. What's that? Wait, yeah, Trevor's behind us. He's not on the boat behind us, but he's over there somewhere. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Oh god! And we haven't even got to the first drop.
What's this?
It's a thing.
What?
It's a thing.
What's happening now?
Stuff. We're going into the cage. Oh God Almighty! Here we go. Well, I'm a bit moist. I'm just gonna...
Oh my god,
I just had to clean the lens and we nearly died! Oh no! Oh my god!
You went over the top!
Oh my god! This is intense!
I don't like this anymore!
And now we're in the multicoloured orange tunnel!
I'm so wet!
Oh look!
That works!
Yeah!
Oh.
I don't remember this log flume being this terrifying! Oh wow! It's doing better than bubble work, so I'm not getting wet! We're not even done yet. Do you know, it says it's forbidden to stand up. That's fair enough. That's fair enough. Oh god. BT anti-rollbacks! Hashtag BT anti-rollbacks! BT anti-rollbacks! What do we want? BT anti-rollbacks! When do we want them? Oh no, I can see Trevor!
Trevor's going over the top, man!
Trevor's over the top! Ha! Whee!
Why are we doing this?
Oh, we can't go back now!
I can!
Oh,
So cold!
it's not even that! Oh god! Oh god!
Like it?
Oh god!
I don't like it!
But why?
I don't like it!
What do you know? Just for anyone who's watching,
The beer survived!
I'm quite wet.
You're right, Craig.
Oh, you look got a tie like this, you know?
Yep.
Brace.